everyone, today I'm going to show you the front loop and back loop of a stitch. Here is the front loop and here is the back loop. We're going to put a stitch marker in the back loop only, and then we will work in the front loop. Now we will be working in the front loops. To get the pattern that we are using, you can find it in my website, on my Etsy, or in my Patreon. Now we are going to be working into the front loop with a half double crochet, followed by 2 double crochet, and then another half double crochet, all in the same stitch. Next, we're going to slip stitch to the front loop only. We're going to repeat this pattern all the way around. As you can see, we worked into the front loops only and left the back loops alone. We're going to be working into those later. And that is how you work into the front loop only.